guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kriti and today's video is going to be a t-shirt DIY. I'm going to be showing you a very cool trick to do with a regular t-shirt, shirt, whatever you have with you. But before we get into the video, let me give you a short review on my blog Valencia. Like I said, we are doing a really interesting DIY today. Today is nothing to do with skincare, hair care, anything of that sort that I usually, post about. Today is going to be a very interesting DIY using this plain spaghetti top that I have. As you can see, it's really worn out, it's really boring, and like I can't even wear it. There's nothing that I can do with this. So what I thought is I will do an experiment with this where I'm going to tie-dye this and make, at least hope to make, a really cool print out of it, a really cool print on it. So yeah guys, if you all have a plain t-shirt, shirt, whatever at home, I'm trying on a black one, so I'm going to show you the results on a black one. But yeah, if you all have anything at home, do try this after seeing this video. And yeah, so quickly, without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first step is to protect the floor or platform or whatever you are using to do this. So make sure that you align a lot of newspapers or waste papers so you protect it. Next is of course using this bleach. So you all can use a bleach of any brand. I'm using Rin, and this is what you're going to be using to make this whole tie-dye t-shirt. What we are going to do is we are going to take an empty bottle, put quarter of the bleach in it and dilute it with half of water and create a hole on top of the bottle, as you can see that I have done on the cover, and so that we can sprinkle through it. So this is the amount that you need to take, quarter of the bleach, and then fill it up with water. Now we place this t-shirt top, whatever we have, on top of the newspapers that we have laid down so we don't end up damaging anything. Now what we do is we take rubber bands, elastic rubber bands, and randomly start putting it all around the t-shirt. So it doesn't have to be really placed anywhere or whatever. You can just keep it very random as you like. As you can see, now I have placed these 4 rubber bands very randomly on the t-shirt, and I'm just going to keep them over there undisturbed and then start with my experiment. So the bleach that we made, we are going to be spraying it all over the t-shirt. Just go wild with it, put it all over. Of course not too much of it, but you can just really literally play with it like a water balloon and just put it all over. And we leave this for a good 5 minutes to just let it absorb into it. As you can see, after 5 minutes now, the color has started changing and our experiment is working. It's clearly seen over here. What we now do is we flip it at the back and we just spray some of it randomly at the back itself, because why should we leave the back, right? So we, nicely sprinkle it at the back itself, and we leave it like that for a good 3 minutes to again absorb it. Now it's been a total of 8 minutes. We are going to be removing all the rubber bands and then seeing the next step. After you've removed the rubber bands, just dump it in a cold tub or a cold, it basically needs to go in cold water just for like 1 minute, just brushing it around, and now just let it dry. Actually overnight, but yeah, just let it dry, and this is what your t-shirt looks like. So as you all saw, I had put this top to dry, and honestly it's not fully dry. I said it was taking a bit too long. You actually have to keep it overnight, but I was too excited to show you all what happened. So this is the end result. As you all can see, it's looking so cool and it's looking really nice. Like this is the back of it and this is the front of it, and from that from that weird black spaghetti that had just overdone itself. This is looking so cool and this is looking so trendy. Like, if I had the expertise in this, I would have customized it with my name, or I would have written some quote, or I can play around with it so much. But yeah, guys, this is the end result of it, and I am really happy with the way this has come out. And this was my first experiment, honestly, while filming this for y'all, and it has worked like amazingly. So like I said, y'all can do this on any color. Of course not on white. On white it's not going to work, but it will work on any other color. You can do it however you want, however you can custom make your own old t-shirts and totally play with it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys, and if you all do try it, do leave in your comments what you all thought about it and if it worked for you all or not. And if you're watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will be back soon with another video. Till then, bye bye.